Hi, I'm Susan, and we have here a real lawnmower that has seen better days. So we're going to give this lawnmower a makeover. This is the old-fashioned kind that doesn't require gas, doesn't make carbon emissions, so that's kind of handy. But it does, just like a regular lawnmower, require a little bit of maintenance. This one was actually a gift. I don't know how much use it got before or how much maintenance it got before, but it looks like it definitely has some wear and tear, and it doesn't cut great. So we'll see if we can't fix that. We're going to sharpen these blades. I'm using the owner's manual, and I'm just going to do it like they say to do it in the manual. There are a lot of people who say that a much easier way than what I'm about to do is take one wheel off and mount a drill on it and run it backwards with the lapping compound on the blades. But I'm still going to go ahead and try and do it the way they say in the manual, just in case you want to know how you're really supposed to do it, or what the regular way is before you try the shortcut way. Maybe down the road you can decide for yourself if you like one better than the other. These wheels have plastic bits that just pop off. So the next thing I need to do is pop off this little ring very carefully. I tend to use little saucers for things like this so that I don't lose my parts. And this wheel is just going to slide off. Ew, it's so dirty in there. I'm going to clean that up. This is the pinion gear, or you may have heard it called the drive gear. We need to keep close watch on this, that this came off the left side. So now, everything you just saw me do here, I'm going to now do on this side over here. There's this little tiny, very important piece right here. It helps determine the direction that the reel turns. We need to reorient this little tiny metal piece. So it was in there with the flat, sharp kind of point pointed away from me and a sort of more curvy end towards me. I'm just going to reorient this so that the sharp, flat part is towards me and the more curvy part is away from me. I'm going to do this on both sides and put this back in here, kind of like I found it, but opposite to how I found it. And then I'm going to take these little drive gears and I'm going to reverse them. So the one that was on the right side is going to go on the left, and the one that was on the left is going to go on the right. And when I turn these, they don't go this way, but they do go this way. Oh, and the reel is going to start going towards me, or backwards, or counterclockwise, depending on your point of view. So, now I'm going to put the wheels, or the tires back on, the little clamps back on, and the plastic bits back on, and then we'll finish. We're going to put some of this, this is valve grinding compound. The owner's manual calls for lapping compound that is between 100 and 240 grit. I didn't even know this stuff existed. But you put a little bit of it on the edge of the blades. Kind of pretty. I have reversed the direction, and now the blades actually go up against this bar. They're going to hit that bar and sort of get a little more honed as they rotate. just ran this up and down the street several times. You're supposed to do it on like a hard surface rather than in grass, so that the blades just engage with the metal bar right here. The lapping compound has sort of worked its magic, and these blades are quite a bit sharper than they were. So now I'm just going to wipe this stuff off and put a little bit of general purpose grease here and there, switch the pawl little metal pieces, their orientation, and switch the drive gears. The one that was on the left we put on the right and vice versa. Now we're going to put them back the way we found them so that the reel turns the correct way and will actually cut grass when we want it to.